der.
a devastating earthquake that came from beneath the seafloor.
Lite huvudtvätt.
Men altså,
Just off the
Jamen
coast of
altså.
Indonesia, the seabed was ripped open. In just 6 seconds, part of the ocean floor shot up by as much as 20 meters.
det gør du, Ivy. Ja, men Ivy. Ja. Hvor mange har du talt, Ivy? Hvad skete der, da du var ude at gå tur? Hvad skete der, da du var ude at gå tur? Hvad skete der?
Du behöver ta bad.
Ja.
This quake created a powerful tsunami.
Jeg skal bare klø dig lidt i siden, så
Around
stopper.
Southeast Asia,